We're taking a closer look at how to customize ringtones for specific contacts on WhatsApp for your iPhone. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your messaging experience and make it easier to identify who's messaging you. Before we start the video, I am going to be sharing some important information for you. You cannot change the ringtone for a specific person when he is calling you. For now, there is no such feature on WhatsApp. I am using the latest WhatsApp version with an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's get started. Begin by opening the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Tap on the Chats tab located at the bottom of the screen. Find the contact for whom you want to customize the ringtone and open the chat. Once you're in the chat, tap on the contact's name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This will open the contact information page. On the contact information page, scroll down and look for the Wallpaper and Sound option and tap it. Tap on the Alert Tone button to open the ringtone selection menu. In the ringtone selection menu, you'll see a list of available ringtones on your iPhone. You can choose from a variety of default ringtones or select a song from your music library. Once you've selected a custom ringtone, tap on the Save button located in the top right corner of the screen. The custom ringtone will now be assigned to the contact. And that's how you customize ringtones for specific contacts on WhatsApp for your iPhone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.